everyone, I'm Haritha and back with my videos. Change is the essence of life, right? So let's know it today with a small story. An eagle can live up to 70 years, but to reach this age, it has to make a hard decision. At the age 40, its long and flexible talon no longer can pick the prey, and its sharp and long beak becomes bent. Its feathers become old and thick, which makes it hard to fly. So the eagle is finally left with only two options: either die or undergo a painful process called change. What is the painful process called change? That is, the eagle has to fly to the top of the mountain and sit on it, and it has to knock its beak against the rock until it's pluck it away. Again, it has to wait for a new beak to grow. Fine, again it plucks its talons and waits till a new talons grow. Finally it plucks its old aged feathers. The change, that word, sustain the pain. And after it takes a great flight called as change of rebirth, and which leads for 30 more years. Yes, living souls, even we have to change in our life. We have to pluck our unpleasant memories, fixed mindsets. We can take advantage of our present only when we freed ourselves from the past. So what we should do is just change in a positive way and give wings to your dreams and let it fly. All the best. Thank you. Keep watching, like and share my videos.